Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you how to make ice milk tea. So for the tools and the materials, the tools, the glass, spoon, the straw. Okay, and for the material we can prepare the tea, the milk. You can choose this one or you can choose this one. So this is the step how to make. For the first, we can prepare the tools, the material, and then for the next, we can prepare the glass and also the spoon, something like this one. So for the next, I think it is very easy. For the first thing that we should do is we can pour the tea first, something like this one. Pay more attention, ladies and gentlemen. Pour the tea into the glass, something like this one. I think the taste will be very nice. Okay, don't forget to put the ice rock. Don't forget for the additional material for you if you want to make the ice milk tea very nice. Don't forget to pour the ice rock. The ice rock like this one is, I think it's okay because my hands is clean. This one for the ice rock. The ice rock, something like this one. Don't forget to take for about 3 or 4 or 5. Okay. After that, what should we do is you can choose. It's better for you to choose chocolate or the white one. So you can choose this one. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After that, we can pour the milk like this one. It is up to you. Make sure the ice milk is very nice, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget after that, we just can stir the ice milk tea like this one. Okay, make sure your ice milk tea is very nice or sweet. Don't forget to taste it. Ooh, I think it's very good. You can taste your ice milk tea, something like this one. It's around here. Ice milk tea is ready to be served, ladies and gentlemen. So this is for you, and thank you for your watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.